press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, I'm Shreya and welcome to another episode of POPxo Look Like a Star. And today I'm recreating this blue smoky eye look inspired by the super talented Rani Mukerji. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed the look. Let us know if you'll try it out in the comment section below. And to get all these awesome products, join the MyGlamm Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm products when you shop from the website or the app. The link to join is down in the description below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.